Think you can't afford your dream home? What if I told you that you could build a beautiful, spacious home for half the cost of traditional construction? I'm talking about barndominiums, and today I'm breaking down exactly what it costs to build a small one in 2025. And stick around until the end, because I'm revealing where you can get affordable barndominium kits that could save you tens of thousands of dollars. Hey everyone, if you're dreaming of building your own home but feel priced out of the market, you're not alone. Traditional home construction is expensive, time-consuming, and full of surprises. But there's a solution that's taking the country by storm, especially in Texas, Oklahoma, and rural America. I'm talking about barndominiums, or barndos as enthusiasts call them. These aren't your grandpa's barns. They're modern, stylish, energy-efficient homes that blend living space with practicality. Today, we're diving deep into what it really costs to build a small barndominium. And trust me, the numbers might surprise you. First, let's define what we mean by a small barndominium. We're talking about homes ranging from 1,000 to 1,500 square feet. Perfect for couples, small families, or anyone wanting to downsize without sacrificing style. Think open concept living with vaulted ceilings, industrial charm, and that modern farmhouse aesthetic everyone's obsessed with. The beauty of barndominiums is their flexibility. You can have a cozy 1,200 square foot living space with a 2-car garage attached, or go with a simple studio-style layout. And because they use metal or steel frame construction instead of traditional wood framing, you don't need load-bearing walls, which gives you incredible freedom with your floor plan. Okay, let's get to what you're really here for, the numbers. And I'm going to be completely honest with you, because too many videos give you unrealistic expectations. The shell kit only. If you're looking at just the barndominium kit, that's the metal frame, exterior walls, roof trusses, siding, roofing, and trim, you're looking at $20 to $35 per square foot. So for a 1,200 square foot barndominium, that's roughly $24,000 to $42,000 for the shell kit alone. But here's the reality check. That's just the exterior shell. You still need everything else. Total project cost. When we talk about the complete, move-in ready small barndominium, here's the honest breakdown for a 1,200 to 1,500 square foot home. Budget build. $65 to $95 per square foot equals $78,000 to $142,500 total. Basic finishes, DIY where possible, simple layout. Mid-range build, $120 to $160 per square foot equals $144,000 to $240,000 total. Quality finishes, hiring contractors for major work, modern amenities. High-end build, $150 to $200 plus per square foot equals $180,000 to $300,000 plus total. Premium materials, luxury finishes, custom features. The national average in 2025, you're looking at approximately $112,800 to $180,000 for a small, simple barndominium that's turnkey and ready to live in. What's included in these costs? Let's break down what drives these prices. 1. Land and site prep, $10,000 to $75,000 plus. A land purchase varies wildly by location. Land clearing, $1,200 to $3,700. Driveway installation, $1 to $12 per square foot, depending on material. Building permits, $500 to $2,000. Land survey, $200 to $1,200. 2. Foundation, $7,200 to $21,000 for 1,200 square feet. Concrete slab, $6 to $14 per square foot. This is what most barndominiums use. 3. The shell and assembly, $24,000 to $60,000. Kit materials, $20 to $35 per square foot. Professional assembly, $10 to $15 per square foot. 4. Interior finishing, $48,000 to $120,000 plus. Drywall installation, $1.50 to $3.50 per square foot. Insulation, $1.50 to $5 per square foot. Flooring, $4 to $15 plus per square foot. Kitchen cabinets and countertops, varies widely. Plumbing system, $7,000 to $15,000. Electrical system, $10,000 to $30,000. HVAC, $6,000 to $20,000. Interior doors, trim, paint, $10,000 to $25,000. 5. Contractor fees, 10 to 20% of total project. General contractor management, where you can save money doing it yourself. How to save money. Now, I know those numbers can seem overwhelming, but here's the good news. There are real ways to bring costs down. 1. DIY what you can. The biggest money saver is sweat equity. If you're handy, you can assemble the kit yourself with help from friends. Many people handle their own painting, flooring installation, and interior finishing. This can save you $30,000 to $50,000 in labor costs. 2. Start simple, expand later. Build the basic structure now and add premium features later. Start with polished concrete floors instead of hardwood. You can always upgrade. Use basic countertops and cabinets initially. 3. Choose a simple floor plan. Complex designs with multiple angles and roof lines cost more. A simple rectangular design is the most cost-effective. Think of a basic 30 by 40 or 40 by 50 footprint. 4. Location matters. Building in rural Texas costs significantly less than building in suburban California. Research your area's average cost per square foot. 5. Get multiple quotes. Don't go with the first supplier you find. Shop around. Price differences between suppliers can be 20 to 30%. So, is building a small barndominium worth it compared to traditional construction? Let's compare. A traditional 1,200 square foot stick-built home in 2025 costs between $150 to $400 per square foot. That's $180,000 to $480,000 for the same size home. With a barndominium, you're looking at $65 to $160 per square foot on average. That's potentially half the cost. Plus you get lower ongoing maintenance costs, extremely durable metal construction that can last 50 to 150 years, energy-efficient design that saves on utilities, faster construction time, often completed in months instead of a year, complete customization freedom, potential for lower insurance rates, fire-resistant metal exterior. The only real downside? Resale value can be lower in some markets, especially in areas that prefer traditional homes. But in rural areas in states like Texas, Oklahoma, and Montana, barndominiums hold their value extremely well. Where to get affordable kits? Alright, as promised, let me tell you about where you can actually get these affordable barndominium kits. Top suppliers for 2025. 1. Worldwide Steel Buildings. Offers fully customizable metal barndominium kits. DIY friendly, with assembly manuals. 50-year structural warranty. Prices, $20 to $35 per square foot for shell kits. Great customer support throughout the build. Website, worldwidesteelbuildings.com. 2. General Steel. 100% American-made steel. Custom design collaboration. 50-year structural warranty. Excellent reputation for quality. They work with you on local wind and snow load requirements. Website, gensteel.com. 3. Absolute Steel, Texas-based. Manufacturing since 1999. Made in USA. Great for Texas and southern states. 20 to 45-year warranties on panels. Full-service design and construction available. Website, absolutesteeltx.com. 4. Barndominium.org network. Connects you with licensed contractors in all 50 states. Get multiple quotes to compare prices. Most people save 25 to 33% off retail pricing. Shell kits, $13 to $35 per square foot. Website, barndominium.org. 5. Buildingsguide.com. Comparison platform for multiple suppliers. Get forwritten quotes from local suppliers. Pre-engineered kits with full support. Great for first-time builders. Website, buildingsguide.com. Pro tip: many suppliers offer financing options and payment plans. Don't be afraid to negotiate, especially if you're getting multiple quotes. Also, watch for seasonal promotions. Some companies offer discounts during slower months like winter. So there you have it. The complete, honest breakdown of what it costs to build a small barndominium in 2025. Yes, it requires an investment, but you're potentially saving $50,000 to $150,000 compared to traditional construction, while getting a unique, durable, and stylish home. My advice: start by 1. Determining your realistic budget. 2. Getting quotes from at least 3 suppliers. 3. Deciding what work you can DIY. 4. Working with a contractor experienced in barndominiums. Remember, the cheapest option isn't always the best. Focus on quality materials and proper engineering. Your home needs to last. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world home building content. Drop a comment below telling me, what size barndominium would you build? And what's your dream budget? I'll see you in the next video. Now go build that dream home.